Hello and welcome to Talking Tech. Namaskar, Ishan Ruskar here. Today we're going to talk and discuss about how WhatsApp is using dirty policy regarding privacy. So here we at Talking Tech would start a series where we would explain you why your privacy matters and why you should be concerned about it.
We all know about data, right? But we are going to take you to the bold new data place. We are going meta. Metadata is the data about data. It is generated by virtually everywhere you communicate in 21st century life. Here are two people communicating today. Let's say we know nothing about what they are saying, but we can still learn a lot about them by the other information we can glean. Metadata is this intelligent. So this means things like location, times, duration and data about the device you used. But it also includes the same information about everyone who are, when, where or for how long. Web browsing constantly generates metadata too. And of course, you probably declare some of the stuff yourself on social networking services. But lots more than you know about is being collected by these companies, including your devices, where you log in from, what time you are checking your feed, what time you are looking at, and what is it you are searching for. The creation and disposal of metadata even continues when we sleep because our devices are continuously communicating with cell towers or networks about what we are doing or not doing. You actually don't have to do anything to produce metadata, which is a bit of nuts. When it's all put together, metadata tells us a lot about you. So obviously the data controller's golden egg. It's highly valuable for advertising purpose because by generating this vast profiles of an individual private life and interaction, companies will compete to target us with marketing and advertising. We know this as we see evidence of it in the right hand and panel to the most sites we visit these days. Not only the industries that is so hungry for metadata, not very long ago, if government and police wanted to know things about you like where you have been and who you are friends with and what newspaper you read, they would have to question you or get a warrant to pursue their investigation. But not anymore. You as a metadata tells them instantly as seen as we seen. A content to content of your communication, metadata is not given the same legal protections despite revealing just as much is if not more as the content of our exchanges themselves. Or he might have actually heard of metadata. It's just metadata. It's something that the government talk about a lot. It's just plain old metadata. That's all we are gathering. Not spying on the content of your emails or phone calls necessary, just a plain old metadata. Nothing to worry about. Carry on with what you have been doing. Since metadata reveals relationship access have often very broad, the government require that companies collect and store this data them for years. To think about this, who is everyone you spoke to in past year and who did they spoke to and who did those people speak to, and are you absolutely sure that not one of all those people could be suspected of a crime or of any interest to you or any other government? Because if they are, that makes you part of a network surveillance of this kind, automatically places you within the net without any wrongdoing on your part. Then what has happened to your rights here? Conclusion based on assimilated metadata are often circumstantial. So on top of everything else, this is leaving a ethical muddy water, all because you knew someone who knew someone of interest, of all because you were somewhere with someone of interest was. But it's only metadata, right? It actually pictures you based on a completion of your location, contacts, interest, reading, habits, searches, friends, family, professional, personal life and history over extended period of time. So what's the big deal?
So it's high time we should be aware. So coming up next would be about big data. To support our hard work, you can like, comment, share and also subscribe to our channel. So this is how it works. Discussing what's your metadata and how WhatsApp and big companies take metadata. Metadata explained.